Well guys, as you can see, I'm back and I have behind me the whip and it's fixed. So why don't we take a look real quick. All right, so this was the side. This was the side that was hit. The headlight was not working. This fog light popped out. The grills were gone. The bumper was ripped. And so they ended up painting. They ended up getting a new bumper, painting it. They got like new fog lights. They got a bunch of new parts. There's a whole list of them. And you know, the new paint on this bumper is really nice, as well as our grills. You know, the ones we installed broke off, so insurance actually paid for my grills. Got them, you know. And I think they even bought a new logo. Like they really went the extra mile, and looks like they painted it pretty well. So there's no like imperfections I've been able to find, and so far I've inspected it pretty close, so if there was anything I would have seen it. Other than that, I looked at the rest of the car, make sure, you know, I left it how it is, and it stayed the way it was. So no like scratches on the rims and stuff. That's the one I checked, because you already know we bought the new rims and stuff. But yeah, I mean, she's looking fine. And I got, the story is, they told me it's been 3 weeks. They told me it'd be ready at the end of the week last week, and it wasn't ready. I called Monday and they're like, yeah man, this week for sure. And then Friday, so yesterday it was Friday, and they closed at 6 and it was 5 p.m. and they were like, hey, you can come get it. So I just hauled and I'm like getting it. And I acquired the whip. So next thing we're gonna do is probably this emblem right here. I'm probably gonna black that out. And then so that's the next video you should be looking out for. And then we have other stuff planned. I have other content that's like other than this car coming, okay? I just gotta work on it. Now I was worrying about getting the car back, so now I got the car back. Now we can actually make some content. Remember the 100 subscriber giveaway, okay? If the 100 subs, we're gonna give away something that you guys want. And make sure you keep subbing, liking, and commenting. The interaction has been pretty well. And hope to hit 1 million subscribers by next week. So I'll catch you guys on the next video.